Students, now we are going to solve the question related to trigonometric identities. So let us revise first all trigonometric identities which we have already proved. First one, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This we have proved. Okay, so when we transpose sin square theta this side, it will become cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. And when we transpose cos square theta this side, then sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Now second identity which we proved, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So when tan square theta will be transposed this side, become positive. So sec square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Now student, when 1 is transposed this side, then it will be sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. Okay. Now third identity is, students, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta when cot square theta will be transferred this side. And 1 is transferred this side, then it will be cosec square theta minus 1 equals to cot square theta. So students, three main identities are sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Second, sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Third, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So these are three main identities. Okay. Now students, we can form two more identities from each of them. Okay, by transposing next term to the next side. Now students, some changing we had proved earlier. Tan theta equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Cos upon sin equals to cot. Sec is the reciprocal of 1 upon. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Means sec theta equals to 1 upon cos theta. Cosec is the reciprocal of sin. Cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. Okay. And we formed all the identities and changing by the help of पंडित बद्री प्रसाद. हर हर बोले, सोना चांदी तोले, खाके चाय समोसे छोले. Correct? Sin, C for cos, T for tan. This C for cot, sec and cosec. So student, you can see sin is the reciprocal of cosec, cosec is the reciprocal of sin. So we have written cosec is the reciprocal of sin. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. And I told you sin upon cos equal to tan. Sin upon cos equal to tan. And cot is the reciprocal of tan. That's why cot equals to cos upon sin, reciprocal of tan. And we learn these identities by this method. If they are coming together, then we have to put plus sign between them. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Plus sign is there because sin and cos both are together here. Okay, next identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec tan. So this is sec theta, this is tan theta. There is one gap between them. So we can write sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Because there is one gap, that's why we have to put minus. These are the learning tricks only, students. Okay. We can use these tricks for learn all the formulas, all the identities. Next is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So this is cosec, this is cot. You can see 1 is coming between them. One trigonometric ratio is coming between them. So we have to put minus sign. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So by the help of this trick, we can learn all the identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. We will move clockwise direction, student, to learn these identities. Sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Now we will not take tan first, not cot. First we take sec. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Then move for the cosec. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Okay. So you have to learn all these identities, student, and all the changing. Okay. Now students, these identities and changing, we are going to use some different kinds of questions. So this is question number 1. Express all the trigonometric ratio in term of sine. Student, we know that there are 6 trigonometric ratio: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. So we have to change the 5 trigonometric ratios in term of sine. So by this identity we can change them. So we have to think first which trigonometric ratio easily change into sine. So if we use this identity, student, so we can change cos in terms of sine easily. So let us use this identity first. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin square theta shifted this side. Then cos theta equal to root 1 minus sin square theta. So student, we have changed cos in terms of sine by using this identity. Now student, we know that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So we have written here cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta, because cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So we have directly changed here cosec into cosec theta in terms of sin theta. Now student, sec theta is the reciprocal of cos. Sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta. So student, if we put cos theta value from equation 1, then we can easily change sec into sine. So let us put the value of cos theta here from equation number 1. Sec theta equals to 1 upon root 1 minus sin square theta. So students, now we have changed sec theta in terms of sin theta. Now student, tan theta equals to sin upon cos. We know that just now we learned this changing tan theta equals sin theta upon cos theta. Correct? So now students, we have to change tan into sin easily by putting the value of cos theta from equation number 1. So here we are going to put value of cos theta from equation number 1. So tan theta equals to sin theta upon root 1 minus sin square theta. This is cos theta value. So you can see here we have changed tan theta in terms of sine. Now student, you know cot is the reciprocal of tan. Cot theta equals to 1 upon tan. So the reciprocal of tan theta will be the value of cot theta. So cot theta equals to root 1 plus sin square theta upon sin theta, reciprocal of tan. So now student, you can see by using these identities and changing, we have easily proved, we have easily changed all remaining 5 trigonometric ratios in terms of sine. Cos theta equal to root 1 minus sin square theta. Cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta. Sec theta equal to 1 upon root 1 minus sin square theta. Tan theta equals to sin theta upon root 1 minus sin square theta. Cot theta equals to root 1 minus sin square theta upon sin theta. Okay student, let us solve one more question. Express all the trigonometric ratios in term of cot theta. Now students, we have to change 5 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec and sec in terms of cot. So you know students, we can easily change into tan theta into cot because tan is the reciprocal of cot. So tan theta equals to 1 upon cot theta. Now students, we have to use the identity in which cot theta is there. So student, this identity, you know, cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Cot theta is given here. So let us use this identity. Then cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Cosec theta equal to root 1 plus cot square theta. If you want to put plus minus sign, so we can put here plus minus also, student. So easily we have changed cosec theta into cot theta. Now student, we know sin theta is the reciprocal of cosec. So when we put cosec theta value here from 2, then we can change sin theta in terms of cot. So 1 upon root 1 plus cot square theta, we have put here cosec theta value from equation number 2. So sin is also changed in the term of cot. Now student, we know that cot theta equals to cos upon sin. By cross multiplication, cos theta equal to sin theta into cot theta. So let us put the value of sin theta in terms of cot here. So putting value from equation number 3. So at the place of sin, we can write 1 upon root 1 plus cot square theta. So cos theta equal to cot theta upon root 1 plus cot square theta. Now students, sec is the reciprocal of cos. So sec theta value will be the reciprocal of cos. It's reciprocal, student. So sec theta equals to root 1 plus cot square theta upon cot theta. Okay students. So this is the method of changing the trigonometric ratios in the given trigonometric ratio, student. So here I changed all trigonometric ratios in the form of cot, and here I changed all the trigonometric ratios in the form of sine. Okay students, learn all identities daily. All these identities and changing you have to learn daily, student, and learn all the values 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay then students.